Stars Machinery CNC Press Brake PBS 135T4000 CT12 4+1 axis.
Switzerland WECHAT CT12 CNC controller. Automatic grounding system. Standard punching and 2V dies. Tools are blackened to prevent rust. Movable front supporting arms. France Schneider Electric. Back wedge X and R2 axis. X axis for front and back movement. R axis for up and down movement. Bending demonstration. Thanks for watching.